Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a newcomer, thank you for stopping by. If you're an old comer, thank you for coming back. Where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. Now, I'm showing you a small haul of perfumes that I bought for the month of April and March. Well, March and April. Now, I want to start off with this one because I had covered this one for the longest. This is the Louis Vuitton Perfume. You see the gator on it? This ran me $300. Not, oh my goodness. And it does not smell bad. It smells good. It really does. So I was trying to pick between the alligator and the pineapple. And I said if I like the alligator, then I'll probably go back for the pineapple. But $300. And this got some weight on it. It's heavy. So you know you're dealing with luxury. Look how big that is. And it's so pretty. And this is the box that it came in. Let's open it up because there's another cap in there. Let's see if I can get this bad boy open. Alright, so here's the other cap. So they say it's for when you travel. You can take it with you. But I won't be traveling with this. I mean, it's got to be more than 1 ounce. It has to be. Let's see here. And this is what it looks like. Just so much detail went into it. You know you're getting your money's worth at this point. Look at the red claws. It smells so good. It's not like anything I've ever smelled before. It has its own unique smell to it. It smells really good. Really sophisticated. Alright, so you guys have seen me haul all this already in my previous hauls. But this is my perfume haul. All the perfumes that I bought for the month of March and April so far. And this is the Angel by Terry Mugler, I think it is. Smells really, really good. Really good. Alright. So this is the one by Versace. And it's the Bright Crystal Absolute. And that's what it looks like. Let's see if I can get the light to shine just right on it. Alright, so we have the Christian Dior perfume. J'adore, I think is what it's called. Now moseying over here. And this is the Ariana Grande R.E.M. R.E.M. And it comes right out of there. I'm thinking about getting her other one that's out. Comes with a comic book. It's sold at Ulta. And this is, at first I thought when I first got this, I was trying to figure out did I have to use how I was gonna get it out of there to use it because I seen someone else do it. And I kept thinking no, I had to pick up the whole thing and spray. And yet it came out of there so easily, like just now. And it smells, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Now most of the time you have perfume by some of these artists, these singers and actors, and the smell of the perfume doesn't last very long. I think the longevity of it is maybe like 1 or 2 hours. That right there, this right here, gave me 6 to 7 hours. 6 to 7 hours. Surprised as heck and love this perfume. It smells so delicious. And this is the Dolce Vita. This here also smells good. And this came along with it, the perfume purse spray. Smells so good. Now this one, I was looking forward to this one. This one sold out the first time it came out. So I was on the second bandwagon of getting it. And this is the Lazy Sunday Morning by Mason. It's a replica. And it's supposed to reminisce about being in bed, bed linen, soft skin, and just having a good lazy Sunday. And this is the color for the ox. Well, the Chinese New Year of Ox. And it sold out. Oh my goodness, I was so glad when it came back the second time. And this is the Marc Jacobs Perfect. Look at the cap. You see the cap? Look at that. All that detail that went into it. Look at that. That is so cute. So very cute. Alright, so then we have last but not least, the Romance by Ralph Lauren. And this here is like a sophistication, like the type that you would wear to a business meeting. It's not overly loud and it's not subtle. It's enough to let you know that there's a woman in your presence. And beware that she is there because she's bringing her all. That's what this reminds me of. It smells so freaking delicious. Well, anyways, this is the perfume haul for the month of March and April. So, it depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. God bless.